Here's how to draw Kittysaurus from Garten of Banban. Start out with a circle. Then add the pupil, looking off to the side. Draw the other eye. Draw the pupil like a half circle. Come down here. We're going to draw a little line across for the nose, and then go down, then come in, down just a little bit, then go across, and go up, out, and into the top. Then come to the eye. We're gonna go draw the cheek, and it comes in. It's gonna hook around and come down, and then come in for the lip. And then we're gonna draw some teeth up here, just little triangle shapes. The teeth get a little bit longer and bigger as they come out. Then draw 5 teeth back here. We're going to come back here and draw a tongue. It's going to be coming out like this. I'm going to draw the head. Draw a little triangle shape here. Comes down just around the eye. And draw a bigger triangle here for the ear. Draw the inside of the ear. Then the body comes out, tucks down, and come up here. I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and then comes out. Then come back over here. We're going to draw a line that comes down and comes in. And give him a little hand. The body comes down. Give him a leg. Draw the thigh here. Come over here. Draw this side of the thigh. Give a little toe. Have these toes facing this direction. And this line here, we're just going to imagine it keeps going through the arm and down here. And come over here. We're going to draw an arm coming down. And it goes up. I'm going to draw a little hand here. Then this leg. Now we're going to draw the tail. Comes out to a point, then it comes back down, tucks into the body. And that's how you draw Kittysaurus from Garten of Banban. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos on the channel.